High school life is a roller coaster ride, a whirlwind journey where every twist and turn shapes our identities. It is the era where friendships evolve from tentative connections to unbreakable bonds. It is the era where we navigate through the maze of adolescence, exploring who we are and who we aspire to be. But the most intriguing part of high school life is discovering someone with whom you'll share the profound experience of love.
Sabik ng mahalikan, mayakap ka't masayaw sa ulan. Ang mundo ay gagaan, mundo ko'y gagaan. Maligaw man ang landas, ay hahanapin ang kalsada patungo sa'yo. Ikaw ang daan. Dumilim man ang paligid, ay ikaw pa rin ang ilaw.
Bakit iba lang tanong ko mo?
Sayong sayaw, bakit ikaw di bibitaw? Sayong sayo, laging ikaw. Ako'y giniginaw, halika dito, dito ka lang sa tabi ko.
Maybe I like this road.